Welcome to today's video on mastering the art of chicken parmesan, classic Italian dish. Sit back, relax, and get ready to perfect your skills in creating the ultimate chicken parmesan. To start off, you'll need some boneless chicken breasts, breadcrumbs, eggs, grated Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, marinara sauce, and of course, some cooking oil. First, pound the chicken breasts to an even thickness, making sure they cook evenly. Next, season the chicken with salt and pepper on both sides for flavor. Now, it's time to coat the chicken with the perfect breading. Dip each breast in lightly beaten eggs, then coat with a mixture of breadcrumbs and grated Parmesan cheese. In a hot skillet with oil, cook the chicken until golden brown, creating a crispy exterior. Then, transfer the chicken to a baking dish. Now, pour marinara sauce over each piece of chicken, ensuring it's fully covered. Sprinkle a generous amount of mozzarella cheese on top, adding that delightful gooiness we all love. Lastly, bake in the oven until the cheese is melted and bubbly, creating a perfect combination of flavors. And there you have it, the secrets to the ultimate classic Italian dish, chicken parmesan. Serve it with your choice of pasta or a fresh salad, and watch everyone at the table swoon over your culinary masterpiece. Thank you for joining us in today's video. If you enjoyed this recipe and want to see more delicious dishes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, happy cooking!